6 Igbo women share the things they dislike about Igbo culture. Igbo culture, like every other Nigerian culture, has parts that should be glorified and parts that can be done away with over the years. Following a Twitter conversation on how Igbo culture treats women, we spoke to 7 Igbo women and here's what they had to say. Oge, 23. I am the first daughter of my parents. Before my brothers were born, my mom was treated poorly by members of my dad's family because they saw her as childless, despite having a daughter. This made me feel like no matter what I accomplish, I would still not be seen as worthy in their eyes. My dad's best friend has 2 daughters who are adults and he still gets shunned by his own family because he refused to get another wife to give him a son. It was so bad that he wasn't